Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. आज आमे किछि नुआ कथा शिखिबा तेबे चलंतु स्टार्ट करिबा। तुमर कोन होइछि? What's the trouble with you? What's the trouble with you? मते ज्वर होइछि। I am ill with or suffering from fever. I am ill with or suffering from fever. मते थंडा धरिछि। I have caught a cold. I have caught a cold. ମୋ ମୁଣ୍ଡ ବ୍ୟଥା ହେଉଛି। I have a headache. I have a headache. ମୋ ଦାନ୍ତ ବିନ୍ଧୁଛି। I have a toothache. I have a toothache. ମୋର ଖାଇବାକୁ ମନ ହେଉନାହିଁ। I don't feel like eating. I don't feel like eating. ମୋ ପେଟ ସର୍ବଦା ପୁରିଲା ପୁରିଲା ଲାଗୁଛି। I feel full of all the time. I feel full of all the time. ତୁମ ଦେହ ତାତିଛି। You are running a temperature. You are running a temperature. ତୁମକୁ କେଉଁ ଡାକ୍ତର ଦେଖୁଛନ୍ତି? Which doctor is attending you? Which doctor is attending you? ଡାକ୍ତରଙ୍କୁ ଡାକ। Call the doctor in. Call the doctor in. ତୁମ ନୂଆ ଶିକ୍ଷକ କିପରି ଲୋକ? What is your new teacher like? What is your new teacher like? ଖୁବ୍ ଭଲ। He is very good. He is very good. ତୁମ ମାଲିକ କେମିତି? What is your master like? What is your master like? ଭାରି ଦୟାଳୁ। He is very kind. He is very kind. ତୁମ ନୂଆ ଘରଟା କେମିତି? What's your new house like? What's your new house like? ଛୋଟ କିନ୍ତୁ ଖୁବ୍ ସୁନ୍ଦର। It's small but very beautiful. It's small but very beautiful. ତାଙ୍କ ବୋହୂଟି କେମିତି? What is his bride like? What is his bride like? ଗୋରୀ କିନ୍ତୁ ମୋଟି। She is fair but fat. She is fair but fat. କାଲି ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱରରେ ପାଗ କେମିତି ଥିଲା? What was the weather at Bhubaneswar like yesterday? What was the weather at Bhubaneswar like yesterday? ଭଲ ଥିଲା। It was fine. It was fine. ତାଙ୍କ ଭାଷଣଟା କେମିତି ହୋଇଥିଲା? What was his speech like? What was his speech like? ସୁନ୍ଦର ଓ ସଂକ୍ଷିପ୍ତ। It was nice and short. It was nice and short. ତାଙ୍କ ବାପା କିପରି ଲୋକ? What's his father like? What's his father like? ସେ ବଡ଼ ସ୍ନେହୀ। He is very loving. He is very loving. जदि आपणमानंको आम वीडियो भल लगी तेबे याको लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करने को भूलिबेनी। थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग।